probably one of the pretty bad shape I've ever seen. It's pretty. Got a board here. It broke 3 fins, and I'm going to show you how to fix 3 fins in 3 minutes or less. Each of them are broken to a different degree, so you know you'll be able to figure out how to fix pretty much any type of fin break. So just a couple cracks in this box, so all I got to do is sand it, seal it, and finish sand it, and that's about it. So this one's got some cracks and fiberglass break, but not enough that I'd want to rip the whole box out. So I just clean up the breaks, get it prepped to fill it with resin, sand that resin down, do a quick seal, and then a finish sand, and that's about it too. Now this box is disgusting. It was left outside to rot, so we definitely need to do some cleanup, which is why I routed it out. Got to make sure that new box fits in, and then you got to go through the entire lamination process. I forgot to throw the fin in here to make sure that the fin cant or the fin is like square to the board. It's not the end of the world, but you definitely want to make sure you do that. And then this epoxy resin just bubbled like crazy, and I think it's because there was a bunch of dirt and crap from being left outside, which is definitely not ideal either, but it's not the end of the world, and there's not a whole lot I can do about it at this point, so we're just going to continue on. I'll sand it out and then fill it in, and it'll work out. Lucky for me, the design of these fin boxes allow them to come out pretty flat and square anyway, and my friend was stoked on a free fin box repair. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a favor, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you next week.